Mercer OneView is your plan website. Take control of pension planning online and aim for a brighter retirement. In this video, we're going to show you how to log in and get help accessing your account if you've lost or forgotten your password. To log on, visit www.merceroneview.ie. Enter your employer code in the box in the upper right-hand corner. Your employer code is normally the name of the company you work for. Check your plan booklet or other communications for confirmation of your employer code if you aren't sure. Click Next to proceed. Now, enter your employee ID and personal access code. Your personal access code was posted to your home address when you first joined the plan, but you may have changed it since to something more memorable to you. Click Submit to enter and log on to your secure personal account and take control of planning for your retirement. If you have lost or forgotten your pack, you can click on Request New Pack for assistance. On this screen, you can either send yourself a new pack by email or request a new pack by post to your home address. Start by inputting your employee number and choose how you want to receive your pack. If you have already registered an email address on Mercer OneView, enter your email address here and click Next to proceed. If the email you entered matches the one we have on file for you, you will receive an email with a link to reset your pack. Please note, the pack reset link will only be active for 30 minutes. If you miss the deadline, you can always request a new reset link. If you do not receive an email within 30 minutes, it may be because the email you entered does not match the one we have on file for you, or we do not have an email address on file for you. In this case, you can request to have a new pack posted to your home address. Enter the first line of your address and click Next. If the address you entered matches the address we have on file for you, you will receive confirmation that a new pack is being issued. Replacement packs are normally posted out on Tuesdays and Thursdays each week. If the address entered does not match the one we have on file for you, or your pack does not arrive by post, you can contact the Just Ask member helpline for assistance by following the Submit Query link. During busy periods, please allow up to 5 working days for a response.